Go to settings and then tap on Control Center. And then here you have to make sure that the screen recording is in the included controls. If it's not, you will have to add it by tapping on the plus button, and then it will show up on the controls. So then you will have to access the recording through the Control Center. So slide down and then tap on screen recording. And from here you will be able to show anything that you would like from your phone, and then you can share that with whoever you want. One of the things that you have to know is that unfortunately you cannot record sound directly when you are screen recording. So you'll have to record the sound separately. So you will have to use the Voice Memo, which is also accessible through the Control Center. So just tap on the Voice Memo first and then screen record. And you will have both running simultaneously. Something else to note is that if you would like to record a video from YouTube or another source, you can actually hear the sound. So here, let me show you.
Want to get music and sound effects that actually sounds good?
So if you're doing both, the microphone will stop and the music from the video will overtake the audio. To stop the screen recording, go to the top left, and where the clock is highlighted red, just tap it and it will ask you if you would like to stop the recording, and then it will give you a notification that the recording was saved into your photos. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and use it for whatever purpose you would like and edit it or share it